Hey YouTube, it's NowIAmNappy and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. And this week we'll be making a Fenugreek hair mask that will strengthen, condition your hair, and provide amazing slip for detangling purposes. Now, I just want to pause real quick, you guys, and say I know there's a lot going on and a lot of you guys DM me and let me know that my videos were very therapeutic for you guys as a distraction, and that really means a lot to me. So I'm going to keep on doing these videos right now. And I heard also a lot of you guys are saying there was a lot of products that you guys perhaps didn't have, like the BTMS or the preservatives. So I wanted to make this hair mask for you guys to give you something easy to do. We have 4 ingredients. That's all you'll need for this. That is going to be fenugreek powder, coconut milk, some type of oil. You know, I'll be using my Ayurvedic hair oil, and raw honey, okay? So you guys, why I want to choose the fenugreek and coconut milk, let's just first start with coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in lauric acid. Now, lauric acid can penetrate deep into your hair strands, providing them moisture, strength, and provide a ton of nutrients. Coconut oil is rich in B vitamins, which are essential for strong and healthy hair, skin, and nails. Now, of course, you guys know fenugreek is bae. I have so many other videos on fenugreek, how to make fenugreek water or fenugreek tea, how to make a fenugreek deep conditioner, a leave-in with fenugreek. So now this is going to be a fenugreek hair mask because fenugreek is great to help stop hair fall. It helps to rid your hair of dandruff. It has moisturizing and strengthening properties. So let's go ahead and mix this mask for our hair. So let's begin with our fenugreek powder at least 12 to 14 hours before you're ready to use your mask. So you're going to use a 1/4 cup of fenugreek powder with about 1.5 cups of water. You want to continue adding it and slowly stirring to make sure all the fenugreek gets hydrated. So after about 14 hours, you notice the fenugreek is all the way hydrated, it's thick. Now you want to pour this into your blender. You want to blend out all the clumps for about 30 seconds to a minute. And you'll notice your mixture becomes really nice and smooth. Then you want to add in your can of coconut milk. Now you guys, if you want to just use the cream part, please set this can in the fridge for about an hour. And then you'll notice that you'll have a thick cream up top with the water on the bottom. But I am actually going to use the whole can because I'm going to freeze half of this mixture. And it will be a bit looser. So if you want the solid mixture, make sure you just use the coconut cream. Now go in with your Ayurvedic hair oil. Y'all know I'll be using my Ayurvedic oil. I'm going to add about 6 teaspoons of oil. And then I'm going to go in with my raw honey. Y'all, I just got this from Costco. And I'm going to add 2 large tablespoons of raw honey. And then blend it up. The mixture will start to thicken as you continue whipping it. And continue whipping for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Once the mixture is whipped, go in with your favorite essential oils. This part is optional, you guys. I'm going to be using my peppermint oil and my sweet orange to give it a nice scent. So that's it, you guys. The mixture is light and creamy. It kind of has a fluffy texture to it. I'm going to pour it into 2 separate containers. One that I'll be freezing for later, and then one that I'll be using today. Just look how beautiful it's pouring out, y'all. I'm excited to use this mask. So I'm gonna hop in the shower and shampoo my hair and then apply this hair mask. Okay, so I just got out of the shower and my mix is nice and thick. A little runny texture. If you like, you can transfer it to like a squeeze bottle to put it on your hair. So let's get started. So y'all, while applying this to my hair, it feels really nice and smooth going on. I can tell the fenugreek is giving it a nice slip, and I can easily start to finger detangle my hair with this. Y'all, just look at how my hair is starting to also clump together. That's that coconut oil with that fenugreek causing my curls to clump together. Y'all, since you learned a little bit about coconut oil and fenugreek, I want to tell you about the other two ingredients I'm using in this hair mask. So of course, one of the ingredients is my Ayurvedic stimulating hair oil. Now, if y'all haven't heard, I sell this oil on my blog. The oil is infused with extra virgin olive oil, almond oil, avocado oil. You have the option for coconut oil with rosemary and peppermint essential oil. But the good part, the goodies in here are the Ayurvedic herbs. You have henna, which is strengthening your hair, amla for conditioning. You have fenugreek, brahmi, and burdock root, which both are restorative herbs for the hair. You have bringraj, which helps to stimulate hair growth, as well as ashwagandha, which works on stress-related hair fall. Cassia for strength, neem for its antifungal and antimicrobial benefits, and horsetail, which we learned last week, contains lots of silica, which also helps to stimulate hair growth. This oil is rich and amazing for any natural hair regimen. So the other ingredient we have is raw honey. Now, honey helps to soothe the hair follicles, adding shine to dull hair, and it helps to bind water molecules to your dry strands, locking in the moisture. Now, honey is also great to use on your scalp as a gentle cleansing detox. It is rich in beneficial amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that will give your scalp a nice boost. Now, again, you guys, you can add these ingredients to any type of deep conditioner or hair mask that you have to help boost up the nutrients and benefits. Now go in with your plastic bag and leave this on for 30 minutes to an hour. Remember, you guys, this is a strengthening yet conditioning hair mask. So rinse this out with warm water. If you have a little bit on your scalp and you know that's going to irritate your scalp, use a shampoo bar to gently cleanse the scalp to remove anything from there. And that's it, you guys. Now, you guys, this is what my hair looks like. I just rinsed out the mask. My curls are very defined. My hair feels strong yet moisturized. Now, at this point, if you want to go in with a deep conditioner or you want to just go in through your moisturizer, I think you should listen to what your hair is telling you. If this mask was strengthening, then use a deep conditioner. If your hair feels amazing, then style it as is. So that's it for this week's Tip Tuesday. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye.